This daily motivational video has over 1.2 million views in less than 30 days. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to start a similar YouTube channel using AI, and I will only be using free tools so you don't need to worry about spending any money. I came across this idea after spending 5 days hunting YouTube to find a niche that makes high amounts of passive income for you while you sleep. And eventually, I stumbled into this channel which is about daily motivational video. As you can see here, the channel is making about $4.9 thousand per month. Imagine if you can multiply this channel with the less effort. Seems pretty good to me, so let's get into it. When we create our new YouTube channel, one of the first things we need to do is figure out our brand name. To do this, we'll go to Namelix, which is a free AI name generator that helps you find a cool name based on the description of your brand or company. All you need to do is enter some short keywords about what your brand does and it'll come up with hundreds of unique names that you can use. I like this one. Now next up, we're going to set up our profile picture. To finish up the branding, we need to have a banner. I'm just going to use Canva to create a banner, since they have tons of YouTube banner templates that we can easily customize. As you can see, all of the channel branding is done by AI. We didn't have to go hire a branding team or a consultant or anybody on Fiverr. All of this is done using AI technology. Now it's time to actually start generating the motivational quotes. So I came to ChatGPT and asked the chatbot to write me 500 words of motivation for my YouTube video. As you can see, ChatGPT has come up with 500 words of motivation. Now that the script are ready, it's time to actually create the video. The next step is for you to go to Pictory.ai. This is a free online video editor offered by Pictory.ai where you can edit and export high-quality videos without watermarks. So if you already have a Pictory account, you can just click login. If not, sign up, and once you log into the app, click on Create New Video. Now, if you don't have any experience video editing with something like Adobe Premiere, don't worry, because I've spent a lot of time simplifying this entire process for you, so you just need to follow along to get started. Step 1, we're going to click on Script to Video section. In Step 2, simply paste the script that you want to be the motivation video. So copy the script from ChatGPT and paste it into the text box, then we're going to click on Proceed. Once you do this, then your video is ready to go. But having a great video isn't really the whole puzzle when it comes to YouTube. Next, we need to create a thumbnail that draws people in to watch the video. To do that, we just need to go to Canva and simply click on the YouTube thumbnail section. They have tons of high-quality pre-made templates for us to choose from. Once you find one you like, you can click on the background color and select the one you want. You'll probably want this to match the overall brand of your channel, so people recognize it when they see your content pop up. Then click on the text and write in whatever you want it to be. When you're finished editing, just click on Share and download the thumbnail. From there, now we will upload the video to YouTube. We need a catchy title and a description, so I'm going to ask ChatGPT to generate a title and description that will perform well, and boom, everything is ready. It's time to actually upload the video, so go to your channel and click on Upload. Paste the title and description. Now all that's left is to upload the thumbnail and publish the video. Congratulations, your channel is now ready. And if you keep uploading videos like this and learning what your audiences likes, then you're gonna start earning money while you sleep. Remember, I will be updating you on how this future project goes, so make sure to subscribe and keep tabs on how it does. Thanks for watching our video and have a great day.